Hello and welcome. My name is Jess for Ace Poker Solutions, and this is a tutorial video on how to set up Asian Hand Converter with Holdem Manager 3. We will cover the initial setup and settings for Asian Hand Converter. We'll also go over the site settings for Holdem Manager 3. And for this tutorial, I'm using the emulator LD Player 3, and we'll use Red Dragon Poker as an example. Let's start. First, let's open Asian Hand Converter. So I already have the window here. Click on Settings. On the database section, click on HM3, and on the output format, click on Asian Poker Clubs. Also, make sure that the poker app that you'll be using is selected, like Poker King, Red Dragon, UPoker, etc. Click on Apply. Now let's open Hold'em Manager 3. On the upper left menu, click on Tools, then click on Site Settings. Here on the left part, click on Add More Sites. And under the More Sites section, click on the poker app that you want to set up. For this example, I'm setting up Red Dragon Poker. So I'm going to click here for the tick box to appear. I'm just going to point out something here. So the same thing would apply if you were setting up for Poker Bros or UPoker, etc. So since we're using Red Dragon now, if you want to set up for, say, Poker Bros, you just need to select that specific site from this list and then follow the same directions from there. After that, click on Update Sites. Then you will see that Red Dragon is now added here. And under Auto Import Folders, make sure that the Asian Poker Hand Converter directory is listed. So in my case, it's already listed here. If it's not listed, then just click on Auto Detect. If it's not appearing for some reason after clicking on Auto Detect, just click on Add and then click on the three dot button and then just navigate your way and get to this file path where it ends on HM3 hand histories backslash RDP underscore HH and then just click on select folder. Click on OK again to close the site settings screen. So before we open LD Player 3, let's go back to Asian Hand Converter and make sure that it is catching. So click on Start Catcher. And then open your emulator. In my case, it's LD Player 3. As you can see, I already have Red Dragon Poker installed, so I'm just gonna launch Red Dragon Poker. Or if you're using other poker apps, then just launch that. So now Red Dragon Poker is open. Before I select a table to view, first let's go back to Holding Manager 3. Okay, then when it shows Top HUD, that means it's already running. And now we can go back to Red Dragon Poker. So now Red Dragon Poker is open and we'll select a table. And now we're viewing a table. So after a hand or two, the HUD should appear. So finally, the HUD has appeared. Okay. For more resources, just go to drivehud.com/support. There you'll find lots of helpful articles that answer common troubleshooting questions for you. And if you have any tech issue, you can email our support. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and fill this form right here where it says send a message to support. So just put your name, your email, the version number of your Asian hand converter, and your message, and then click send. And someone from our support team will get back to you. Again, thanks for watching and good luck at the tables.